Okay, we got an F250. We went ahead and added the alarm with the phone app and everything. He wanted to remote start it from the phone. So he actually has it from the factory remote. The factory remote brings him to pop the tailgate. It brings him to pop the tailgate. It brings him the remote start and everything. But if he wants it to get it done through the phone, I will have to install another system on top of what he already has, because the factory alarm, I can't do it through the phone. So to arm it, you're gonna hit lock. You're gonna hit chirp. Okay. Then it will tell you here the doors are locked. Okay. Disarm it. It's gonna tell you disarm. This is the voltage of the battery, and this is the signal of the unit. Okay. And then to track it, you can hit this little guy here. Truck started right up. It gives you a countdown. Once the truck is started, it gives you a countdown going backwards, the clock going backwards. Okay, so he knows more or less how much time he has left on the remote start. I'm gonna go ahead and shut it off by hitting unlock here. I mean, by hitting stop the remote start. Okay, I turn off the truck. And this thing has this is one of the few trucks that have the electric tailgate in the back, because he has it on a remote. So we went ahead and programmed it on the actual fob, an actual software. Now he's gonna hit the trunk here. And it pops the trunk. Pretty cool. Yeah, and if somebody bangs on the vehicle, I'm sure you've seen it in other videos that we have, that the alarm fires off, you'll get the amber push notification to his phone, letting them know that the alarm is being triggered. What else can we talk about? Yeah, this alarm was installed here in Miami, Florida by Auto Alarm Specialists. The numbers are 305-298-4814. That's 305-298-4814. And we thank you for watching this video.